WAEC 2023 past question. Further mathematics. Objective. Question 1. Calculate correct one decimal place the angle between 5i plus 12j and minus 2i plus 3j. Good. This question is a question on vectors. Now, for somebody that only wants to know what the answer is, the answer is 56.3. Now, for somebody that wants to see the solution, the step-by-step solution, because me, I'm not just here to just be solving questions or to just be choosing answers. So there is a lot of concepts to understand about this thing. First of all, looking at the two given vectors, we see that they are two-dimensional vector because they have two components. So this is component 1, component 2. This is the component of the vector along the horizontal, while this is the component of the vector along the vertical. I and j represent the unit vector in the I direction, so and in the x direction and in the y direction respectively. That is along the x-axis and y-axis respectively. This can represent, so this is along x, this is along y. So good. Now back to this question. Let me represent the first one as vector A, given as 5i plus 12j. Now, the arrow that I put on top indicate that this A represents a vector. Let's represent vector B by minus 2i plus 3j. Good. In order to find the angle between these two vectors, we can use the dot product of this. From the formula of dot product, I have A dot B to give me modulus of A times modulus of B times cos theta. Now, this theta represents the angle between vector A and B. Good. From here, I can make cos theta the subject to have cos theta equal to A dot B all over modulus of A times modulus of B. Good. Now, how do I need to first calculate A dot B. How do I find A dot B? That means I will multiply this and this together using dot product. The other one is cross product, but that's not what we are using here. Now, that's 5i plus 12j dot minus 2i plus 3j. Now, to multiply using dot product, I will multiply correspondingly. Let the I part multiply the I. Let j multiply the j part. So we multiply component by component. That's 5 times minus 2. That will give me minus 10. Plus 12 times 3. That will give me 36. This will give me 26 at the end of the day. Now, let's take the modulus of A. Modulus of A equal to square root of, what's the component of A? This is A. That will be 5 squared plus the other component 12 squared. That will give me square root of 25 plus 144. Now, at the end of the day, this will give me square root of 169, which is 13. Good. The other one is modulus of B, which is square root of B, which is minus 2 squared plus 3 squared. This will give me square root of 4 plus 9, which is square root of 13. So, back to the original formula, that means cos theta equal to A dot B, which gives me 26, divided by A modulus of A times modulus of B. That is 13 times square root of 13. We can reduce this. 13 here 1, 13 here 2. That means cos theta equal to 2 all over square root of 13. Now, to get theta, I will take the arc cos of both sides, which is cos inverse of 2 all over root 13, which will give me 56.3 to one decimal place. Thank you. Option A.